What up, YouTube? Back with another keto info video. This video, I'm gonna talk about snacks for keto diets. When you start a diet with keto, you don't know what snacks to eat because most snacks have sugar, high in carbs, and you want something that's decent. So I'm gonna list things that you can't eat and what I be eating, and we'll take it from there. So the first thing I be eating is salami slices. You go to the store, you go to the deli section, BJ's, Sam Club got them. There's salami meat. There's no carbs or sugar, and it's tasty, and it's good, and it's filling. Okay, next thing you eat is cheese. You can have block cheese, shredded cheese, Parmesan cheese, any kind of cheese you want. You can have cheese. The salami and cheese go together. I'll take a piece of cheese, wrap it in salami, and eat it like that. Okay, the next thing you eat is celery with peanut butter. The peanut butter got to be all natural, organic, no carbs. It has a little bit of sugar in it, but not much. You know, I mean, I plan to eat that when I go to the gym. If I plan on going to the gym, doing a lot of cardio, that's like the peanut butter with the sugar in it because I can burn that sugar off. So back to where I started, but it's a good snack to eat. You can have sour cream. I heard sour cream and celery was good. Never had that, but I've heard you eat that as well. You can eat spinach, avocados, kale. You can have keto cookies. There's keto cookies you buy online. You can eat those. You can make your own cookies. Organic cookies, you eat that. Pretty much anything without no carbs or some with a little bit of carbs is fine. I mean, you can have carbs. I try to keep at least 20 grams of carbs a day. Some days I don't have carbs. Some days I do. So you know, one carb could be one slice of bread, and that's probably 20 grams right there. And that's all you can eat. I'm trying to think what else you can eat besides those. There's not a lot of stuff you can eat. There's some stuff in the store with sugar-free. You can have some sugar-free stuff as well. Like this Powerade, that was my last video. You can drink that. Powerade is sugar-free. You can have sugar-free desserts, no carbohydrates. But so far, I'm in the lunch meats right now. You can have turkey breasts. That has maybe 1 gram of carbs. You eat bacon. Fry some bacon, wrap it in cheese. Mostly you eat any green vegetables, spinach, kale, lettuce, cabbage, all them good vegetables you eat. You can have blue cheese. You can have chicken wings. You can have fried chicken wings, as long as not, doused in barbecue sauce or honey, or any kind of sauce. You can have lemon pepper. You can have Cajun wings. You can have hot wings, because hot sauce has no carbs or sugar in it, so you can have that as well. So that's pretty cool too. So I eat chicken wings. So I'm trying to think what else to eat for a snack. No French fries, none of that stuff no more. Those days are gone for right now. I'm not sure what else you can eat. There's beef jerky is one. Eat beef jerky. Turkey, anything turkey you can eat. Turkey meat you can eat. Turkey meat you can have. So like, say you're in Thanksgiving, okay, and you're on a keto diet, which is hard. I mean, you can have turkey. I'm not sure about ham. I'm pretty sure you can have ham, turkey ham. You can have pretty much no gravy. You can have a macaroni. Well, but the macaroni cheese have pasta in it, so you can have a macaroni cheese. But you can have other things. You can have stuffing. Number carbs. I say go a little carbs on Thanksgiving. Eat a little bit stuffing, a little bit of gravy. Do a little bit of sugar. Yeah, live a little too. You know what I'm saying? Just cut it back. The whole thing about keto is to try to cut back, because usually I'll get turkey, ham, stuffing, macaroni cheese, yams, and gravy on the ham, on the turkey, on the macaroni cheese. Just put a little gravy on the turkey. Put a little gravy on the stuffing. Have a little bit of stuffing. Don't have a whole lot. The key is to change your lifestyle some. You know what I'm saying? And of course, you want some pie. Who don't want some pumpkin pie, or not pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, or cakes or anything for a holiday? Who don't want that? So I say, if you do the keto diet, do it now in the summertime. You know, there's no holidays coming up no time soon. Do it in the winter. Don't do it around Thanksgiving or Christmas, or do it, you know, stop it the day before Thanksgiving, eat what you want Thanksgiving, and get back on it the day after. You know, the next holiday is Christmas. So, you know, you live a little. You can have eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I think you can have double eggs too. You can have double eggs, hard-boiled eggs with bacon. You have sausage links. You can have sausages. The main goal is to cut out carbs. Everything you pick up in the store, look at the back of the label. Look at the carbs. Look at the sugar. You want no sugar. You don't want no sugar, no sweets, none of that stuff. None of that stuff. You can't have no sugar. Carbs, you get away with. You can have full 2-3 grams of carbs. It's not gonna hurt anything. You're gonna burn that up anyway. So this is my snacks update. And once I find more snacks to eat, I will give an update video. But yeah, if you go out to a state fair or something, you can have a turkey leg. You can't have no fried Oreos or fried Twinkies or anything, but you can have the fried turkey leg. You get the ribs. You can get the chicken wings. You have chicken wings there. And that's pretty much it. You can't have no hot dogs, hamburgers, and take the buns off. So the keto diet is very hard. So you want to do it around this time of year. I mean, you want to do it, you know, like middle of July, before the holidays, before Christmas coming around. You want to do it then, okay? You want to do it then. You know, but you can have chicken wings. I mean, you can have that. I mean, if you and your friends go out to eat, and you go to any restaurant got chicken wings there. So I mean, get some chicken wings, non-breaded. You know, no barbecue sauce on. Just get chicken wings, no carbs, no sugar in it. So you still eating your diet, and get some vegetables on the side. So that's it for this video. This is a quick little keto snack video, because when you first get into keto, you have no clue what to eat, because everything has carbs in it and sugar in it. But I'm gonna give you some what you can eat and some what you can't eat. So check the label out. Oh, you can have mayonnaise too. Mayonnaise has no carbs, but since you have no bread, it's kind of like defeats the purpose, right? The mustard has no carbs, so if you like mustard on certain things, there you go. So that's it for this video. Check out my blog, thexking.com, and like and share my video, and thank you for watching.